Welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how you can actually make $100 per day using this effective tool. This have actually not been talked about yet on this channel before, so you want to pay close attention, and I'll actually be showing you other secrets in this video as well. So we'll be using a tool and we'll be using an app to actually make the $100 per day. I'll be showing you how it works. I'll show you the creation of the account, I'll show you the downloading process, I'll show you things you need to put in place, and pretty much everything you need to know about this website. So let's get right into my computer. So I'll show you the first website. The first website I'll be talking about is gologin. So this is an anti-detect browser where you can access different websites using different proxy, not VPN. I would not recommend VPN when you have amazing tools like this. Yes, this is paid and there's a limit to the free version you can actually get. However, this is very great. So what I did there was try creating an account and seeing how the whole process works, seeing what gologin is about. So just follow through with your account creation process. So I just signed it with my Google. I was not using email or password, but for more security you should do that. Use a personal email and use a password. Remember, I said this is paid. You've got a 7-day free trial, and for those 7 days there are a lot of amazing things you can actually do. And yes, I'll share you other stuff. Like I said, there are a lot of secrets in this video, so you want to stick around all to the end of this video as I share them with you. Alright, so follow through the whole process of the account creation like I did there, so you don't make any mistake, and so you can actually get the exact result I get. Alright, make sure you follow through. This is a tutorial video on the account creation. So you want to say, how many accounts are you planning to have? Click in. Are you using API? No. How do you hear about gologin? Just YouTube video, just something very easy. So this will take you to a download section where you have to download the software. It's an app, yeah, a iOS application. Sorry, I said iOS, Windows application. You have to download if you're using a Windows, and if you're using a Mac as well, totally fine. It's available as well. Probably Linux as well. It's available as well. So I did the downloading of this software. I waited and downloaded it, and we got to a point where it was a little bit tricky. However, you want to stick around all the way to the end of this video and make sure you understand. So this is the installation process. I had to speed this up so I don't waste your time and all like that. I installed it. Follow through the whole installation process as well. Click on accept, allow access, and you have to log in though. You have to log in on the software itself. Now, not on your Chrome browser, on the software itself. So give it time. If there's anything you don't understand at all, you can always come back to this video and recheck, then make corrections, which is very important. Alright, so you want to do this because this is the software we'll actually be using to make $100 per day using proxy. Alright, now look at this app, this software, website, software, whatever. freecash.com. freecash.com pays you for completing tasks. If you're a person that have got free time on your end, you can come over here, answer survey, play games, and then between 0 to 0.50 cents to $120 per day, as long as you complete those tasks. But wait, before you click away from this video, this is a result for the particular location I'm in. I've not started using the proxy app. I've not started using the application we just downloaded. We have not started seeing the result. Remember, earlier it was showing $50 for a particular game. That same game, you actually get more than that for different proxy. So you want to stick around and see exactly how this works. Okay, so after downloading and installing the, have you seen it there? For TikTok, there's a task on TikTok as well that pays you around $15. However, getting it on a proxy in another different location pays you way higher than that. So for this location currently, it's an African location. So you want to come over to the app, follow the process, click on add profile. You want to name your new profile. Okay, so now for this I'm using free cash Germany. I'm using Germany proxy. All right, for the proxy section, click on the gologin proxy beta. All right, click on gologin proxy beta, click on the country, then you go to the advanced section. All right, click on it and go to the advanced section. You want to scroll all the way down to the end of the website. Yeah, then you want to add the website URL. Yeah, you want to add the website URL. So you go back to your Chrome browser, copy the link and paste it on the gologin app. All right, so you paste it here and that's all you need to do, and click on create profile. That's all. So after creating a profile, you have access to launch it from the app. Remember, when we add task on the main account, when we are using Chrome, we add $50 for a particular offer. All right, it's still here. And if you want to check it yourself, can you say it there? If you want to check it yourself, you see the $50 when you have not started using this app. All right, so free cash should actually pay you for completing this task. As long as you complete them, you just have to complete the task. This is paying $2 for TikTok, this is paying $50 for this app here, it's a gaming app, and this is paying $5 for Netflix. So this is a completely different task. Now this is on our normal Chrome browser. All right, so I'm going to run that website that we just checked. Now I'm going to run it on the gologin software, and I'm going to show you how it actually looks like and why the results are actually different. So there's different price range for different crunchy, so you can actually create multiple proxy using the same free cash and complete every task. If you complete one task, you already know how to complete it again. Just complete new task for everything. The same different proxy, the same website, and more money. All right, so the same thing that was actually $50 there is actually $225 here. Netflix was around 5 or some, I think 2, now it's 10. TikTok is now at 2. You see how different, extremely different it is. TikTok should be at 2 exactly. So this is a very, very cool way to actually make money online. You can create unlimited proxy, as long as, yes, you have to subscribe. When I say unlimited, well, if you have the 7-day trial, there's a limit to the amount of proxy you can actually create, which is 3. Another cool thing is this: if you're in a country, probably Pakistan or African countries where ClickBank is actually restricted and you need affiliate offers from ClickBank, this proxy is all you need. When I mean all you need. All right, just want to, I'll now show you an example here. Definitely you want to go back to the what's it called, profile, create a new profile, click on ClickBank and put the ClickBank URL, click on the beta option for the gologin proxy, and you create an account. Simple. I actually did an example here. I showed you how you can actually create a UK ClickBank account that actually gets you on your dashboard easily, and you can actually search for offers. All right, so I'm creating a new one here, United Kingdom. I went to the advanced section. I inputted the ClickBank link, which is clickbank.com, obviously, but you probably need to copy it. You can do that as well. Then you run it. After you actually get the proxy on, run it from here. It will actually pop up another page where you can actually start the creation of accounts. So I'll show you why it's different, how it's effective, and how you can actually use this for any other thing. All right, so now this is us on the gologin proxy account, and this is us on my normal proxy account with no extra stuff here. This is just normal basic. Now try creating an account here, and I'll try creating an account on the Go proxy, and I'll show you the difference. So this is the secret. You can get affiliate offers now on ClickBank using this, as long as you just create your account, set everything up. And for your payment section and all like that, you can actually drop a comment if you want a specialized video on that. I can actually show you how you can actually add payment method to ClickBank, and majorly you'll be using Payoneer. All right, so I tried creating an account on the normal proxy. We're not using gologin here. We got a few questions. After answering them, I have a product I want to sell on ClickBank, and great. Due to high volume of brands onboarding, this is the normal proxy. Look at what they are telling me here. I should start an application, which I actually like. No, it's total bullshit. It's because of my location. So I went ahead and tried creating an account on the United Kingdom proxy we used. Alright, it was completely different. Alright, I picked different. I want to promote the product as an affiliate. Fine. You click on next. Sounds good. Awesome. Let's immediately. I was actually filling everything they actually wanted, and I was able to create an account successfully. There was no restriction. There was no high level of, it's just all BS, because definitely they were restricting people from certain countries. But it was not like that when you're using the proxy. The proxy does change it to your location. Like don't use VPN. Definitely when you use VPN for ClickBank, it does not work. So this is a very, very effective way to actually create an account on ClickBank and actually promote affiliate offer, as long as you have an audience. Alright, because without audience, with affiliate marketing, you're not making sales. So I just picked what country are you located? United Kingdom. Simple. How do you hear about ClickBank? YouTube, something like that. Then click on OK. Your account was all set. I actually inputted my email if you like to use an account or something like that. I actually inputted our email here, and that was all. There was no special thing. You remember I was asked to fill an application earlier. Now I just completed everything. Just continue to sign up. I completed everything in just how many minutes? So imagine me filling the form. What you'd actually get is definitely a rejection, telling you we are not accepting affiliate from so, and that. You already know how this goes, right? So yeah, I can just click on login here, and I already have my account already. But I didn't, because I was just trying to explain certain things to you, making you understand this is how it works. This is how very, very effective gologin is. This is how effective gologin can actually give you access to very important website where definitely you can get paid from. Alright, I'll make another video on ClickBank, how you can actually search for affiliate offers and how you can actually market it as an affiliate marketer if you don't have any idea about affiliate marketing. Another amazing thing you can actually do is TikTok creativity reward program. You can actually use gologin to actually access another country proxy, probably United States, probably United Kingdom, probably France. That the creativity program is actually active, and you can create an account, start uploading, get 10,000 followers. As long as you create a video up to 1 minute, you get paid for those views, which is amazing. If you haven't already, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. You're helping the channel get to more audience that would actually love to make money online. I hope you do like this video. If you do, share to your friends and subscribe. Peace and love.